Good afternoon guys, my name is Michael Bernardino, your salesperson under Diana Francisco Realty, led by our broker Diana Francisco and our manager Cristina Sabiano Pante. For today's video, I'm gonna give you some insight regarding to our project here in Santa Cruz, Laguna, which is Linville Diamond. Yeah, Linville Diamond is located at Barangay Gatid, Santa Cruz, Laguna. Okay, Linville Residences is a secure and a gated community with modern design and a durable homes that is very affordable with pag-ibig fun to the working Filipinos. Ayan, yan po ang ating Linville Diamond. Ayan. So meron po tayong dalawang klase ng bahay dito sa Linville Diamond. Ito ay ang Serena Premium at ang Sophia Deluxe. Ayan. So ang Serena Premium po natin, so we have 429 unit. And ang Sophia Deluxe po natin ay we have 606 houses, ayan, sa loob ng subdivision. Ayan. So, but at this moment, ang minatitira na lang po tayong parang 8 to 9 units left ng Serena Premium at medyo marami-rami pa yung ating Sophia Deluxe. Kaya kung undecided pa kayo ngayon na kumuha ng house and lot, so now it's time to decide dahil alam nyo mga lods, mabilis tumaas ang presyo ng house and lot ng mga properties, ilang buwan lang or a year. Ayan, halos tumataas na siya ng kalahati ng ng regular price niya. So also like for example, meron tayong Palmera units sa Barangay San Juan, which is Linville project also. So dati yung nakuha namin na 450,000 pesos lang yung per unit, ngayon 800 plus na siya. So can you imagine, dalawang kalahati na agad yung nataas ng presyo. 400,000 na agad yung naitaas niya ng ilan, others 1 and up to 2 years lang yun, ha. So can you imagine, ang bilis, di ba? Kaya kung kayo naman ay may pangkas na ngayon at gusto nyo nang makabili at hindi masayang yung pinagpaguran yung pera, so it's time to decide mga kalods, mga kabahay. Ayan, so pag naman kayo ay member ng Pag-ibig, it's time to use it, you know. Kailangan yung mapakinabangan yung mga binayad yung contribution sa Pag-ibig. So kapag ka-member na kayo ng Pag-ibig for 2 years o nakakapag-contribute na kayo ng cash sa Pag-ibig sa loob ng 2 taon, ayan, pasok na kayo para makapag-loan ng house and lot. Ayan. So gamitin nyo yung mga loans, yung privilege ninyo na makapag-loan ng house and lot using your Pag-ibig member. Ayan. So ayan, I highly recommend Linville Diamond. Bakit? Kasi alam nyo mga lods, ang Linville Diamond ay halos malapit na sa lahat ng establishment na kailangan natin sa pang-araw-araw natin na buhay. So ayan, so ayan. Ito ay located along Bagumbayan Road. Also, 300 meters away from Laguna State Polytechnic University and 600 meters away from Bagumbayan Elementary School and 2 kilometers away from Laguna Sports Complex and 1.5 kilometers from Sunstar Mall and 3.7 kilometers away from Holy Family Hospital. Also, napakalapit na nito sa ating Kapitolyo at sa ating Pedro Guimara National High School at sa plaza ng Santa Cruz, Laguna. And also around the area, just tatawid lang kayo, meron na kayong McDonald's. On the left side, meron na tayong Jollibee at meron tayong ang daming gasoline station doon. And also, ang maganda dun sa pinaka-gate ng Linville Diamond ay very accessible siya sa lahat ng ating pampasaherong public vehicles ng transportation natin. Ayan. So, talagang accessible siya. Going to Manila, going to Sinloan, going to Nagcarlan, Kalumpang, and up to San Pablo, and going to sa bayan ng Santa Cruz. Ayan. So, kasi nasa crossing lang siya. Ayan. Sa perimeter na yun, andun lang po ang gate ng Linville Diamond. Kaya, hindi tayo mahihirapan pumunta sa mga pupuntahan natin. Ayan. So, ayan, marami tayong masasakang may public. Kung meron ka namang private vehicle, so mas maganda, di ba? So, ayun. Yun ang kinagandahan po ng ating Linville Diamond. Very accessible sa lahat ng klase ng sasakyan. Ayan. And also, bibigyan ko kayo ng konting insight about the detailing of our project. So let's start with Serena Premium. Okay, our Serena Premium is a modern single attached home for the growing family. So it has a lot area of 80 square meter and floor area of 50.2 square meter, and ang features niya is a semi-complete with a granite tiles for first and second floor, and ceiling on the second floor, and white paint on decking, and complete railings and white paint for interior, and full concrete slab with 2 bedrooms divisions, and fabricated concrete step board, steel door, and main door. Okay, and ang our toilet and bath natin ay ang toilet bowl with flush, syempre, and 5 layers of wall tiles, and two-way faucet, and telephone shower, and soap and tissue holder. And so for as low as 12,477 per month for 30 years with Pag-ibig terms and conditions. And yun po ang ating Serena Premium, and ang ating namang Sophia Deluxe. Ang Sophia Deluxe naman natin is a lovely 2-story duplex for a growing family, of course, and with a lot area of 80 square meter also, and floor area of 42 square meter. And ang house feature niya is semi-complete and with 60 by 60 centimeter granite tiles on the first and second floor. And yun na kailangan na magpa-tiles dahil meron na siya. Also, on ceiling on the second floor, meron na siyang kesame, white paint on decking, and may mga pintura na rin ang mga walls. Ayan. So, and complete railings. So, may mga railings na yung hagdan, yung second floor para hindi tayo, kung may mga anak tayo, hindi siya malalaglag dahil may mga harang na siya. And also, concrete stairs, fabricated white paint. Ayan, semento yung ating hagdan, okay? And steel door for main door. Steel door siya. So, hindi na siya mabubulok. Hindi siya aanayin dahil siya ay bakal na or steel yung pintuan natin. So, ang toilet and bath niya ay okay, toilet bowl with flush, of course, and 5 layers of wood tiles also, and two-way faucets, and telephone shower, soap, and tissue holder. And for as low as 9,888 per month for 30 years with Pag-ibig housing loan. Ayan. So, ayan mga lods. So, additional, kung may mga tanong kayo regarding about your Pag-ibig or paano nyo ma-avail yung house and lot na yan, so isa lang masasabi ko, just let me know. Huwag kayong mahihiya mag-inquire, and huwag yung sayangin yung panahon dahil ang mabilis po ang pagtakbo ng panahon ngayon, at huwag natin sayangin yung mga chances natin to have or to, makapag-loan tayo ng house and lot for ourselves and for our family, at huwag masayang yung mga pinagpaguran nating pera, yung pinaghihirapan talaga natin, pinagpawisan natin ng mahabang panahon. Ayan, kung ito yung mga loan ng Pag-ibig, so ito yung mga privilege na makukuha natin kung wala man tayong pang-cash na ngayon. So kung hindi natin kaya mag-cash ngayon, so gamitin natin yung privileges natin gamit ating Pag-ibig housing loan. Dahil pinaghirapan din natin yan. Okay guys, kung may mga tanong kayo or comments or for inquiry, for further information, mag-comment lang kayo at huwag kayong mahihiya magtanong sa akin. So, and I was happy to assist you at tatanungin natin lahat ng inyong katanungan sa abot ng ating makakaya para lang po ma-avail po ninyo ang pinapangarap ninyong bahay at lupa. Ayan. So yan po muna ang ating video for today, and thank you so much for watching. And again, my name is Michael Bernardino under Diana Francisco Realty, and nagsasabing mabuhay kayo and God bless. Bye-bye.